All right guys, we're talking about some OG stuff today. I'm TRS Matt and I have been in the automotive aftermarket for lighting since 2005. TRS itself, we've been selling HIDs since day one in business, and back in 2018 we picked up the Xenon Depot brand finally and added it to our product line. And let me tell you, this stuff is among the best of the best when it comes to HIDs. Now, forever we sold Morimoto, and Morimoto, of course, is very well known when it comes to projector retrofitting, assemblies like the fog lights and the headlights. But when it comes to HIDs, back when we originally did a test, we found that the Xenon Depot XTR HID bulbs actually outperformed both the Morimotos and the GTR Lightings that were a staple in our line for much longer than that. And today in particular, we're going to be talking about the XTR HID bulbs in the H11 size and the H1 size that feature the Philips capsules. Okay, so it's a Philips capsule, so what? What's so special about that? Well, first and foremost, obviously, the luminosity, okay? So above and beyond the normal XTR HID bulbs, these are even brighter than that because they use that Philips capsule, which is super high quality. Number two is that the lumen maintenance of these bulbs is actually much better than anything else out there in the aftermarket, because OEM bulbs from Philips and Osram, that's what they're most reputable for. They maintain their luminosity for a longer period of time into the future. All HID bulbs, no matter what, as time goes by, they do two things. They color shift, so they get naturally higher in Kelvin rating, a little bit whiter and then bluer eventually, and they also lose their intensity over time. So a car with factory HIDs that's 10 years old, the light output from those headlights is not going to be anywhere near as bright as it was on day one. And the Philips capsules on these bulbs, they do a great job at that relative to anything else out there in the aftermarket that tends to drop in luminosity faster than the OEM stuff. And of course, if you guys are looking to do a full HID system upgrade, what better ballast to pair it with than Xenon Depot's XTR HID ballast? This thing has been around for like 10 years, but you know, oldie but goodie, this thing is super reliable. I can't say that I've actually seen any of them fail. You know, nice packaging, completely waterproof, reasonably priced, a great match for the Xenon Depot HID bulbs, really. So if you guys are looking for an OEM quality aftermarket HID setup for your car, these things pack a ton of bang for the buck. They're very reasonably priced and the reliability is second to none. Check out the Xenon Depot XTR HIDs. You can get them at TRS. If you guys want to watch that old comparison video that we did back in 2018 when we originally picked up this line, you can find me talking about that stuff a couple years ago, and you can see the results in that video if you click here. And if you guys want to learn more or find out what it is that we have for your car, visit our website by clicking here or subscribe to watch more of our content there. All right guys, I'm TRS Matt and I'll see you next time. Check you later.